What's up, guys and gals? It's your girl RJ, and I am back for another unboxing. Now, normally my co-host Karma would be here with me, but she couldn't make it, so I've got a special guest. It's Super Gamer, my son Kaden.
Hi everyone.
So today we are going to be unboxing the Walking Dead supply drop box.
Ooh.
If we can get it to focus. So this is the official AMC box. So I was hoping to get this box before Halloween because this is the October box, but unfortunately they had some sort of issue with one of the items, which pushed shipping back some. So we just received it last week. We're finally getting ready to sit down and unbox it, take a look at all the goodies. Now, if you're not familiar, the supply drop ships out every quarter. It's around $64, I think, plus tax. It's, you know, you can put it on hold, you can cancel, so there's no set amount that you have to get, but we're definitely going to check out this one, see what's in there, and hopefully you guys will love it and try it out for yourself. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
All right, so let's crack it on open and see what's inside. Ooh, okay, so it's a pretty big box, as you can see. We can see the hand, the Walking Dead. There's just a big, looks like some sort of card on the top. Let's turn it around.
Upside down.
All right, so this card here, which is shiny, you can't see it, but it's got the like the embossed or embellished. It says, oh, there, it kind of picks it up. It says The Walking Dead supply drop, and inside, yep, inside is all the goodies that are in this box. I'm actually going to set it over to the side so we can refer to it if we're not sure about anything. But yeah, let's go ahead and open it up. So Kaden, you want to go ahead and grab the first thing?
Mm-hmm. Tight spot.
Just pick anything, it's fine.
First, we have our survival tool. It is a. It's not. Doesn't say anything else.
Okay, so can you say it? It's a post-apocalyptic survival tool. So go ahead and open it up. Let's take a look and see what it looks like inside.
Has some nice packaging. It has some of the things about The Walking Dead. There's the AMC Walking Dead supply drop.
Very cool. So it's a nice little pouch to carry it in.
And right here we have a little card that has the numbers of which is what thing. As you can see, it has some of The Walking Dead on it. This is The Walking Dead AMC.
And don't worry, we'll insert close-up pictures of everything, so if you don't see it when we're first talking about it, just keep watching because you'll see it right now. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and grab the next item. So it looks like everything is labeled The Walking Dead supply drop, and I do believe that everything in this box is exclusive to this box. So these aren't things that you're going to necessarily walk into the store and find or get in any other subscription box that's out there. So that's pretty cool. So this says it is a Hilltop Homegrown. Not sure what it is, so let's open it up.
Let's find out and see what it is.
All right. Ooh, very cool. So this is actually a mug, and it's probably a little hard to see right here, but it does have the Hilltop Homegrown insignia on it. You can see there's the etching of the Hilltop main house where, what's his name? Can't think of it now, but we'll say Maggie because she's there now, lives. It's nice, heavy-duty glass. It's got really nice at the bottom. Good handle. So I don't drink beer, but this will be great for my next Pepsi. All right, and let's take a look at the next item, Kaden.
All right. Great Grimes.
Grimes. What is it?
It is a bobblehead of Rick Grimes, as you can see. And apparently it was a limited edition. We don't know if we've got the limited edition one, so let's see and find out.
Yeah, so apparently there are, most of them have the tan shirt, but there are a few limited ones, only 100, that have a green shirt. So we're gonna open it up and see if that's what we get. All right, we gotta do a little cutting here.
Please stand by.
All that squeaky plastic sound. Styrofoam, I hate it.
See, it's a lot of packaging.
Which is good, which means it won't come broken.
She has a little bit of packaging around the neck. That's always the most valuable parts.
Go ahead and hold it up.
See? Guess it's his little scarf now.
So it looks like we did just get the normal one, but it's still really cool. It looks like some really great detail. So he's got the, I guess, like modified weapon. I will tell you guys, I am a little bit behind. When Carl got injured last season and at the mid-season finale and we knew that he wasn't going to make it, I kind of stopped watching for a little bit, so I'm definitely not caught up. But you can see he bobbles, and I really like the detail. It looks just like Andrew Lincoln or Rick, so that's a pretty cool item.
See, he has his gun on him, always ready. You may take out the next item.
All right, so let's see. I'm gonna go for this box here. Let's see what this is. Again, it's just branded supply drop. So let's open it up. Oh, looks like we have a shirt.
Ooh, fancy.
And as you can see, the inside is also labeled supply drop, which means, again, it's probably an exclusive. Now, I did order this super big because I wanted it to be like a night shirt. One thing I do like about this box is you can go all the way up to like a 5X and there's no additional cost for it. But here is the artwork. Ooh, that's very cool. Check it out, Kaden.
It's nice. Looks like they almost have blood all over them.
Yeah, a little bit. So we've got Rick, and then in the background there's Michonne, Daryl, and Maggie and Carol. So kind of the main crew that's still alive on the show, or recently. So very cool. I definitely like this. Seems like really good quality, nice soft cotton. Yeah, so I think that's pretty nice. And Kaden, let's go ahead and open up the next item.
Okay. Oh, as you can see, we have a pin, and it says, as you can see, the Walking Dead supply drop, and the pen says, the future belongs to all of us now. It says Rick. Collectible pin, as you can see, it's a collectible pin, and we did not get the collectible one. This one is red.
Well, they're all collectible, but there was a limited edition black background. We didn't get that one, we just got the red, but it's still cool, so that's nice. All right, very cool. So now it looks like we have only one last item. Let's check it out. So this, I think, is pretty awesome. As you can see here, it's a nice like leather bound folder. It says The Walking Dead AMC, and then this is episode 901, A New Beginning. So inside is actually the script, or a portion of the script for that episode. There's a little intro from Angela Kang, I believe it is. She's the showrunner, and then this shows like who let's see if we can get it to pick up. I think that white's just gonna blow. Oh, there we go. So it shows all of the characters, the actor's name. Then inside, not only do we have script, but little notes of things that they should do to take into account. And then here in the back, there is actually a certificate of authenticity. I think that's how that's said. So that is a pretty cool item. This is something that, for a true Walking Dead fan, this is a prized possession, to me anyway. You know, this is not something that you can just walk in somewhere and get. I'm sure if people are putting these on like eBay or something, they're gonna be super expensive. So I am excited to be the owner of this item. So I think that is it. I want to take a little closer look at the inside of the box too, because one thing I noticed is that you can actually take the little figure and make it a bit of a, what is it called, diorama. So Rick can actually fit in there with the rest of the cast. So that's kind of cool if you have space to display the box. I do not. So Kaden, we've unboxed everything. We saw all the stuff. What do you think was the most awesome item in the entire box?
Out of everything, I probably think it is the Rick Grimes bobblehead.
Okay.
I think that's very nice. I love how all the graphics, they look exactly the same. As you can see, he has his gun.
He really likes that gun.
And that's it.
Yeah, very cool. I think that's a good choice. I would have to say my favorite item, as I just mentioned, is probably the script, just because that's not something you can get anywhere. You know, definitely bobbleheads are very cool as well, though. So yeah, that is everything in the box, and I definitely think this is well worth the cost. If you guys haven't checked it out and you are a fan of The Walking Dead, you should most definitely at least get one box. So I think that is it. Sometimes we do two, so we have our battle of the boxes. Today it was just one. We had an awesome co-host today, Kaden. Thank you so much for joining us. And until next time, bye guys. And cut.